Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have a 1956 Ford F100 four-wheel drive Stepside. Super cool truck. Never seen one of these before. Sitting on a modern Ford four-wheel drive chassis. Obviously, short box. Regular cab. It's got a 390 crate motor in it from Napa. Sitting real cool on the dog dishes. Dual exhaust, power steering, power brakes. Custom rear bumper with a tow hitch. My client made this tonneau cover too. And it just swings up. He added the brake light in the corners. It also has a brake light underneath there as well. Looks like a modern color. It's got a little bit of metallic, I would guess. Viper blue or something cool. Sitting on BF Goodriches. They're the same size all the way around. He added these. They're PD2 8570R15s. Very cool. Inside we got a custom interior with added seat belts. It's like old school tweed. Sliding rear window. I like how they put Ford in there too. Cool. Beam goes throughout the truck. And then you got black door panels, power windows, added gauges. Got an auto gauge by Autometer Tachometer. Love these gauges too, very cool. Oil, bolts, and water. Also has a custom stereo. It works, great. Power windows work great. Slow. Work. Use a little grease. Sounds so good too. Showing 13,718 miles. Love the little wind wings too. Very cool how these come out. So we got a 390 under the hood, MSD Ignition, power steering, power brakes, Shorty Headers. Got a Holly carburetor on there. K&N Air Filter, blaster coil, brand new battery. Temperature gauge on the cap. Runs really nice. New fuel filter, fresh oil change. Ready to go. Lock-in hubs too down there. Man, what a pretty truck. Custom cab. I like how the spare is mounted on the side too, not underneath it. Gives it a real cool look. Big Stout grill up front. Plenty of chrome to look at. It's got the vents for to keep the rain out. Finished in chrome. Lock-in gas cap. Custom steps. Rubber floor. It's underneath, sitting on top of the carpet. Yeah, so cool. Horn works. Neat truck. Sounds like it's got a nice cam in it too. This comes up real easy. It's got carpet in there to keep it nice. Definitely a mild cam. Robert, can you hit the gas a little bit? I want to hear it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Brand new tires too.
Those lights and those lights.
Oh yeah, super cool. I mentioned that. It looks really nice. And that lights up with the brake light. Oh, and LEDs in the back too.
Yeah. And I got.
These are LEDs. Very cool. He always adds custom lights. K&N Air Filter, MSD. He loves those digital gauges too. It's like his thing. Man, sweet truck, Robert.
What?
Nice truck.
It is.
Very different too. You don't see these around. I don't think I've ever seen one.
What?
I don't think I've ever seen one. Super neat.
56 is the most popular because it has a wraparound window.
Mm-hmm.
And it's 12 volts. 55 and prior, like Ford, were all 6 volts. And they didn't have that wraparound windshield.
Very cool. Well, guys, hit us up, 631-339-0399. It's price to sell. You can also check out about 250 photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.